Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Classic Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Now for the ones that follow me, finally Lunc has dropped to the levels that we talked about, the 0.3017 to the 0.3018. You can see that we stopped at around the middle right here. The lowest point from this candlestick was at the 0.3018 exactly. Okay, and so we are going to see the next price targets. If we are going to have a good buying pressure, maybe we do not, maybe we will see about that. Before we begin, I wish that you are having a fantastic day, and let's start right now. What we want to see for Luna Classic, it is that we want to see an uptrend, right? Finally, some people are begging for an uptrend. They have bought Lunc right here, right there, okay, and it is already down minus 50%. So why did we stop at the 0.3018? The question is simple, because right here on the regular scale you will see that it is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so in the logarithmic scale, the support line was a little bit further down at the 0.3017 around here. Okay, and of course the line that we stopped was at the 0.3018. The fact that we have the 0.786, the last support level of the Fibonacci number. So in the regular scale, of course, that is. Right now we want to see if this is going to bring some buying pressure finally into Luna Classic or not. Definitely it is looking good. Okay, the fact that we found a good buying pressure right here, it is looking good. However, the case right now is that I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom to tell you what are the possible scenarios right there. First of all, we have one very huge resistance level, and that is the 0.30217. Now the 0.30217 has become our huge resistance level. Before it was the huge support level. You can see that we dropped down from there, falling another minus 7%, followed by another minus 7.86, and we went all the way down, retesting the lows, and finally got some buying pressure over plus 7%. Now we have a huge oversold situation, and I'm expecting Luna Classic maybe to go higher. Okay, right now in the next few hours we will be going higher. We have to close above the 0.30217 though in the 4-hour frame. Okay, if we close above, then we are going towards the next price target, which will be the 0.3023931. What we need to do is to close above in the 4-hour frame. Okay, so closing above the 4-hour frame will get us towards this target right here, the 0.3023931. Now, what is going to happen next for the Luna Classic, the Lunc? It is going to go to this target and then it is going to drop. Okay, so personally what I'm thinking about it is that we can either do this, another plus 3% or another plus 13%, which would be great, but at the same time it would bring the correction. The best out of the best thing that we can do is to hold up a nice plus 22%, going all the way to the 0.3025659, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. In the logarithmic scale, you can see the prices are a little bit different. Okay, what I mean by that is that we can go, for example, the 0.5, it is at the 0.3023 to 0.3024. Okay, so this area right here is a huge resistance level area. Right now I'm going to decline to delete this, and I'm going to use this rectangle. So you can see that the most important, removing the Fibonacci either in these lines, the most important resistance level area in which Lunc could potentially go, and it will crazily have a correction after, is the 0.3024 to the 0.3025. Now we would be talking about higher targets, but unfortunately the case right now is that Luna Classic is on a huge corrective mode into the next few weeks, and therefore yes, we are going to see the good buying pressures in this altcoin, but nothing special. And you can see how important this line is, because it was our support level back here on 15 September. Okay, and of course back here on 23 September, in which we found the resistance in the 200 moving average along with the bearish cross, and this was the reason that I told you we are going to crash down. We didn't even have a good buying pressure leading at the 0.3021, and we just fall down, forming right here a descending triangle. You can see right here, this is a descending triangle with lower highs, the same lows, and we had a crash going on. Okay, so eventually, for the time being, we want to close above the 0.3021 to get even higher. This is a very huge resistance level right here. Okay, the fact that we talked about this resistance line, it is very crucial to close above, so we can dream about these targets right there. But anyway, have in your mind, for those that bought at the top, that you need to wait so much for Luna Classic to get back to where it was. And some people didn't even trust me when I said Luna Classic is going to go down to the 0.3017 and the 0.3018. They didn't trust me at all. But here you go, Luna Classic falling down even more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.